My name's Greg Griffin.
And my name is India Griffin.
The pool was already here when we moved in, and it was a fiberglass coating, but it was old. There was pock marks and stains. We had to do something, so found a mailer in the mail. And I was thumbing through that, and I came across the We the People Construction. We had a lot of decisions to make with the different aspects of the pool, the coping, PebbleTech or plaster, and the different kinds of tile. Leron walked us through all that, and he gave us his opinion on ways to go.
We also didn't have a Baja ledge, so they did add that for us as well, and that was important because I don't get into the pool very often. And I told him if he's going to get me into the pool, well then we're going to have somewhere that I can sit, because that's about as far into the pool as I'm going to get. So they were able to put that ledge in there, and it turned out great, so we're very happy with that.
When the pool was being built, they had different crews for different parts of the pool. One crew came out to tear it out, one crew put the PebbleTech in, one crew did the coping, and etc. And every one of them was very clean. They left the place as it was when they got here, and they were all very personable. I enjoyed I didn't bother them too much, but I did enjoy interacting with them and asking them questions and getting their feedback on stuff.
We were so impressed with the completion of the pool and the responsiveness of We the People in general, but specifically with Leron. And we knew, because he had mentioned to us that his partner Ben does solar installations and that he's really good at it. We decided to go ahead and get an estimate, and the estimate was great. Same experience. They were very responsive through the entire project. The solar panels look amazing. Greg wanted them on the back of the house. They put them on the front. It means no difference to me. I mean, I think it looks great where they're at. Of course, we want them placed strategically enough to get the most sunlight, so that's why they were placed on the front.
It came out very nice. Very happy with it.
We've done a lot of work in the 35 years of our marriage on houses, and there's not a lot of contractors from our experience out there that go that extra mile. We the People, they walk the talk, and we're very appreciative for that.
Both Leron with the pool and Ben with the solar been very responsive. We'd either call them or text them, and they get back right away to us.
We would absolutely recommend them. I believe Greg already has recommended them, and if we have future projects, they would be on the top of our list to call.